How to add a widget with a picture on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically add a widget with a picture on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add a widget with a picture on your iPhone, all you have to do is simply navigate to a home screen page where you have enough space and then long press on it. Once you long press on it, you'll find the plus icon from the top where you want to tap on it, and now you simply want to select the photos over here. Once you select photos, you can drag this to your home screen, and now if you want though, you should be able to go ahead and then add a widget with a picture that looks just like this. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually add a widget with a picture on iPhone home screen. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.